We've made it to Oslo! Oh my god, look at my face. Look at our beautiful room. It's lovely. Look at those lights. The bathroom is also really nice. We've got some nice toiletries. I really like these velvety chairs. Has a cool view. It's in a really nice area. Not bad. We're so hungry that we're going straight downstairs. This is the most expensive juice I've ever bought in my life. It was 70 NOK, which is 5 pounds or 7 euros. Enjoy! We're on our way to Bergen and the train is packed. Okay guys, this is your first taste of our stunning journey on the Bergen Line, one of the most scenic train journeys in the whole world. But let's start with some practical information. The Bergensbanen runs for 308 miles, taking almost 7 hours to cross some of Europe's most beautiful but inhospitable terrain. The train goes through more than 180 tunnels like this one, literally carved out of the mountain rock, and the beautiful landscape will be interrupted by them many times throughout the journey, which is the one thing we disliked. Our main tip is to buy your tickets as much in advance as you can, so you can get a better price and book a seat on the left side. Within 3 hours, the landscape changes dramatically. The line crosses the Hardangervidda National Park onto its plateau, Europe's largest high mountain plateau. In fact, famous polar explorers including Shackleton used this area as training grounds due to its extreme conditions. It has been described as a miniature Antarctica, and well, you'll soon see why. At some point, all we could see was white. If you're lucky, you might even spot Arctic foxes, snow owls, and even the largest wild reindeer herd in Europe. On this trip, I saw a bear and the biggest deer I've ever seen in my life. You might think 7 hours is a long time to spend on a train, but honestly, it felt like 4 hours at most. The scenery is so beautiful, we didn't want the journey to end.
destination is Bergen, and this is our final stop. The train arrives as scheduled.
Cute.
Nice.
Nice bathroom.
Oh, I love the wallpaper. It's
I love
so
this
cool.
kind of shower. It's my favorite kind of shower.
Umbrella in the room?
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
We need it, so.
Definitely need it.
Very nice. We are going to get some lunch/dinner at a place called La Taqueria.
La taqueria.
Get some tacos or some nachos. We really need some food in my mouth. This hotel is so colorful.
I love
Isn't
it.
it?
Yeah.
So cute.
Really nice.
It's very dear. This is really cute, and we're the only ones here. There's no one else here. But by the way, it's 3 o'clock, that's why. 4 o'clock actually. So food was very good,
It was delicious. It was so good.
very cheesy,
Ah,
and the staff are really, really nice.
yeah.
I spoke in Norwegian, so I was proud.
Just brothers, yeah.